This is just an overview of how to complete the Romeo and Juliet scene comparison worksheet for May 7th. So when you go to start it says it's a quiz, but it's really more of a worksheet. When you go to start it, in the introduction, before you click Start Quiz, make sure you go over this. It says, in today's assignment, you'll be comparing two movie scenes. Act 1, Scene 1 of Romeo and Juliet from two different movies. Open the two movie scenes on tabs in your browser so that you have access to them during the assignment. There are two links for each movie scene below, depending on what works best on your computer. So there's the movie that was made in the 1960s, and there's two clips here, either Safe YouTube or Edpuzzle. Choose the one that works best on your computer. If neither one works, send Mrs. Potts an email and let her know, and I'll send you a third option of a link. And then same thing for the 90s movie clip. Try both of those options, open them up, watch the 90s movie clip, and if neither of them work, just let me know. But anyways, what you're doing is you're comparing the 90s movie clip to the 60s movie clip. Once you've watched them both and you have them open, then you can click Start Quiz. Okay, now on the assignment today, you're going to have to pick out something that's different between the two movie clips and analyze why it's different, and you're going to have to analyze something that is the same between the two movie clips. And so in the lesson that we did in class and the lesson in the course page, it shows you a Venn diagram. You can make a chart, you can just make a list, you can jot some down if you want, but probably the best way is to get a pencil and paper or pen and paper and make a Venn diagram that looks like this. On one side, you're going to put the things that only happened in the older movie clip, and then on the other side, you're going to put only what happened in the newer movie clip. And then in the middle, you'll put things that were the same in both movies. Now, some things that you can consider are setting, clothing, language, music, mood, plot, characters. You can also look at weapons, you can look at the colors. So there's a lot of things to analyze. We did this in class together as a group, but if you missed it, some of the things that we came up with that you can look for when you're watching them is where it happens. So in the 60s one, it's in the marketplace. In the 90s, it's in a gas station. In the 60s one, they use swords. In the 90s version, they use guns. In the 60s version, they use horses. In the 90s, they use cars. In the 60s version, the colors are muted, whereas in the 90s version, it's bright colors. So there's a lot that's different that you can look at. And there's other things besides that. Those are just a few of the options. Remember, you can look at music, you can look at mood. And then in the same column, we said in both of them, there's a character, his name is Benvolio, but you don't even have to know that, who tries to keep the peace. We said in both there's an intense mood. In both of them, they have weapons, though they're different weapons. In both of them, notice it's very interesting. They have the same original Shakespearean dialogue. They choose not to change that and make the dialogue more modern. In both of them, even though the settings are different, the settings are outside. In both of them, there's a fight. In both of them, Tybalt is a fighter, and he's aggressive. Again, there's more that's similar than just those. Those are just some of the things that we came up with. So do your own analysis, make your own chart, figure out what's the same and what's different. And then you'll answer the questions. Question 1, what is one aspect that's different between the two? And all you have to do is list it on question 1 because it's only worth 1 point. So this answer can be brief. You can put the setting is different, the clothing, the language, music, mood, plot, characters, colors, etc. So what I chose to put for mine is that the weapons are different. Number 2 is where you get all your points though. This is worth 5 points. Now why do you think the director for the 90s version made that aspect different? Why is it different? Why does it make it, what effect does that change have? So don't just put it's more modern. There's always a reason beyond that because some things in the modern version were kept the same and some things were kept different. So why were the things that were changed made to be different? I put, the choice of weapons in the new version made the scene more intense than the older version because guns are more threatening than swords. That was my sample response, and it needs to be at least one complete, clear sentence that has an explanation where you've analyzed why the change was made. Okay, then the next question, question 3, says what's an aspect that was the same? Again, this is just one point, so all you have to do is list that aspect. You could say the setting, clothing, language, etc., plot, characters. What stayed the same? For me, I said the distinct style for each family, that each family has a distinct style. Okay, and now you have to think like the director. Why did the director choose to keep that aspect the same? Because a lot was changed, but they made a conscious choice to make some things the same. And so I put in both movies, the two families have a distinct style to just their family. In the old version, one family wears yellow, the other wears red. In the new version, one family is more casual while the other wears more formal clothing. So now I've explained what is the same, that they have that distinct style. I have to explain why. Why did this happen? And I said this is important because it helps viewers clearly identify the two families without getting them confused, since this is the first scene before the viewers know the characters. So that's why that's an important aspect to keep the same. And again, it needs to be at least one clear, complete sentence that explains why that is so important that it was kept the same. And then you submit.